All right guys, today we're installing engine bay panel covers on the C8. So this triangle here, and same thing on the other side right there. I'm gonna cover that up with some carbon fiber, cover up the heat shields in there so you don't have to see all those wires. Give it like a nice clean look with carbon fiber all across. You can see I already have the engine cover, that's from Extreme Online Store. And then also the panel covers here, also from Extreme Online Store. So shout out to EOS for these parts. I'm going to show you guys how to install these covers. All you need for this is a T40 Torx bit, just like this. Go to Harbor Freight, pay $5-10 bucks. You can have a whole set if you don't have one already. Then what you're going to do is on both sides, you're taking off this one right here, and then this first one in the back here. Overall, I'm really happy with the product. You can see it gave it like a full blackout look, full carbon fiber. So I think engine bay looks perfect right now. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you have any questions, need any help, throw them in there, I'll help you out. But that's about it for this video. So if it helped you at all, hit like, subscribe, really appreciate it. Besides that, see you guys next time.